I'd like to make a reservation for. I'd like to make a reservation for.
I'd like to make a reservation for 4 people at 7 p.m.
I'd like to make a reservation for a window table.
I'd like to make a reservation for tomorrow night.
We'll need a table for. We'll need a table for.
We'll need a table for 6, please.
We'll need a table for 2 in the non-smoking area.
We'll need a table for 5 at around 8 p.m.
Is there a dress code? Is there a dress code?
Is there a dress code for dinner?
Is there a dress code for this restaurant?
Is there a dress code we should follow? We have a reservation under the name. We have a reservation under the name.
We have a reservation under the name Lee.
We have a reservation under the name Wang for 7 p.m.
We have a reservation under the name Zhang for 4 people.
Could we have a table by the window? Could we have a table by the window?
Could we have a table by the window, please?
Could we have a table by the window for 2?
Could we have a table by the window instead of in the middle?
Your table is ready. Your table is ready.
Your table is ready. Please follow me.
Your table is ready near the window.
Your table is ready. Let me show you to your seat.
What are today's specials? What are today's specials?
What are today's specials?
Could you please tell me what today's specials are?
Are there any seafood specials today? Can you tell me more about? Can you tell me more about?
Can you tell me more about this dish?
Can you tell me more about the ingredients in this salad?
Can you tell me more about how this steak is prepared?
I'm allergic to. I'm allergic to.
I'm allergic to peanuts, so could you remove them from the dish?
I'm allergic to seafood. Do you have any non-seafood options?
I'm allergic to dairy, so I need to avoid cheese and cream.
Could you recommend a dish? Could you recommend a dish?
Could you recommend a dish for someone who likes spicy food?
I'm not sure what to order. Could you recommend a dish?
Could you recommend a vegetarian dish?
Excuse me, there seems to be a mistake. Excuse me, there seems to be a mistake.
Excuse me, there seems to be a mistake with my order.
Excuse me, there seems to be a mistake with the bill.
Excuse me, there seems to be a mistake. I didn't order this.
Could I speak to the manager? Could I speak to the manager?
Could I speak to the manager about the service?
Could I speak to the manager regarding my reservation?
There's an issue with my meal. Could I speak to the manager?
This isn't what I ordered. This isn't what I ordered.
I'm sorry, but this isn't what I ordered.
Excuse me, this isn't what I ordered. I asked for no onions.
This isn't what I ordered. Can you please check?
Can you bring us some more? Can you bring us some more?
Can you bring us some more water, please?
Can you bring us some more napkins?
Can you bring us some more bread?
Could we have the bill, please? Could we have the bill, please?
Could we have the bill, please? We're ready to leave.
Could we have the bill, please? We're in a bit of a hurry.
Could we have the bill, please? We've finished our meal.
Is the service charge included? Is the service charge included?
Is the service charge included, or do we need to add a tip?
I noticed a charge on the bill. Is the service charge included?
Before I pay, could you tell me if the service charge is included?
Let's split the bill. Let's split the bill.
Let's split the bill evenly between us.
How about we split the bill? It's fairer that way.
Let's go Dutch and each pay for what we ordered.
Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards?
Do you accept credit cards, or is it cash only?
Before I order, can you tell me if you accept credit cards?
Do you accept credit cards, or should I pay with cash?